Hey, friend. We got us some makeup. Look, she did not lick the glue stick. Thank goodness. Okay. I have no idea what she's going for. But we're drawing on ourselves. It's very intricate, too. Okay, we're drawing all the way up on the head. And, oh, okay. Okay, now we're coming down to the collarbone. Okay, look at that. Look at that. It's very intricate. I don't know what it is, but I like it. Ooh, look at that. That is so inventive. Oh, wow. Okay, now we got a little bit more paint. We got some white. Oh, we got red. Oh, I think I kind of know what this might be. I think I know it. I think I know it. Oh, it look like Mr. Krabs. I love me some SpongeBob. Look at that. Oh my gosh, she is doing such a great job. This is art. This is art. Oh, and she put the little things up. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Tell me what you think in the comments of this makeup look for besties.